Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage 1960 Zippo Slim Windproof lighter with a Pennant emblem. It appears to me to have a red star in the middle, with the body of the flag then being white and outlined in blue. I say flag and pennant. I don't know if those are interchangeable. It has a point, like I think a pennant would, whereas the United States flag is a square. We have had this lighter in a video before. It does show wear, dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes. You can see dings to the lid. It is a high polish lighter with the enameled emblem applied. I have rewicked this lighter a couple of times, and I believe I stated in the previous video that I thought someone may have placed a hex on it. So, didn't light the first strike, but it did light with the second one. The lid may have just a little bit of an overbite there. It does have an area, just a small spot or two right here to the left of the flag or pennant of plating loss. See that right there. Anyway, still a very attractive lighter. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Trying to give you a good view all the way around that emblem. The hinge is good and tight feeling side to side. It does fall all the way down rather than rest. I don't know why some of them do that and some of them don't. But nice and tight this way. I'm not sure about the dating on these inserts. I know that somewhere along in there is a switch from hollow rivets to solid rivets. I believe this is the correct insert for this lighter. Shows the later patent underneath the Zippo markings, and then doesn't have any markings on the back side. This is the lighter that our friend Mario Bear reminded me. It is a 1960. I was really confused there. I knew that a couple of years ago, and I'd just forgotten. I guess I hadn't run into one I had to date like that in a while, and or looked at that part of the chart. I don't have them memorized. I got kind of an idea of most of it, but anyway, when I went to check this one, it just completely threw me on the chart I was looking for, and that's one of the reasons why I made that video I did. That and the fact that it wouldn't light reliably. So in 1960, it can have 2 on the left and 3 on the right, and it can also have 3 on the left and 2 on the right. It's just a variation. I'm not sure which was first or which was second or which is correct. They both just are. So we have that aspect of dating this lighter, and then the insert, which, as I said before, and I've said this in past videos, I'll go ahead and say it again since I'm going to be listing this lighter for sale soon. I may not always go through the homework of dating the lighter myself, but there's going to be at least a dozen pictures, and then when you go see the listing on dependableflame.com/current eBay listings, there's a possibility of even more pictures. Not always, but if I feel the need, then I do put more pictures up there a lot of times. So all the information you need to date the lighter or the insert or whatever it is should be there. If it's not, then request those pictures and I will get those posted and emailed to you. No problem. I have no problem taking more pictures. I'm just letting you know that my normal method includes me including the pictures that you will need to date the lighter the way that you would need to, or the lighter and the insert, whatever that would be. I do not know what the Pennant emblem or flag emblem is for. If it's some kind of a nautical organization, or I don't know, I've seen things like this when it comes to diving, but I don't have any idea. Could be military. It could be I don't have any idea. It could be a foreign country. Really don't know. Make sure that you get over to eBay and check out the dependableflame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA with at least 10% of each purchase going to the charity. We also run 3 penny start auctions each month where 100% of the proceeds of those auctions go to HDSA. Free shipping. High bidder gets the lighter, pays the money. Charity gets all that. Everybody's happy. When one of those ends, the next one is usually starting within a day or so. So if you don't see it pop up immediately, then be patient. But We will be doing those 3 listings every month, along with each purchase benefiting the charity. So I've been going back and forth, and I think it's a little bit better now. Got that wick positioned a little bit further back. Maybe not the most reliable lighting Zippo that I've ever had, but not as bad as it was when I got it. Until next time.